Skanking Vibes is here again, but this time around with something big. Skanking Vibes.
I feel like skank. No, no. Skank to the reggae music. Lord, Lord. I feel like grooving. Lord, groove to the reggae music.
All right, beautiful people. This is another beautiful day here inside Accra. This is the heart of Accra. When you are coming to Accra, this is what we call Ayata Corner. You understand? We Charlie here. If you don't be bad man, you don't go fit enter here. Today, we are about to introduce and interview the high priest of Accra when it comes to reggae and dancehall. There's no other person than this man I'm about to. He's a veteran. You see it when it comes to reggae and dancehall, and something unique about him is he doesn't do his reggae and dance or whatever in patois or in English. He stick with his local dialect, which is Gan and Gan, Dangbe and anything there, Charlie. We can no worry, eh? I'm going to introduce him to you soon. Bless up.
This is X Doggy.
Yo, Ghana, this your boy Bernie Beats of High Grade Family.
Yeah, man, my name Rowan Unstoppable, baddest them ever seen. Style forever clean.
What are you watching? Skanking Vibes TV.
Skanking Vibes.
Skanking Vibes TV.
Representing Skanking Vibes.
Don't flick it.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
Big team.
Yeah, man.
This is the Skanking Vibe Show. My name is Arnold Wela, aka the Skanker MC. Today we are inside Accra, Ayata Corner, and I'm about to introduce the high priest of Accra when it comes to reggae and dancehall. He's nobody, he's no other person than Oko Lacey, aka OLM.
Yeah, man, nice one. Listen music representing like nobody's business right now. See me and say,
yes, sir.
Yeah, here with Skanking Vibes, like you see me and say, boom.
I want some freestyle, some small freestyle for the people to know that.
Wow. It goes like Nia Doto, Yongo Minis and Mia Jok Nani. Can you know about Mia Womani, John Warela, Meremoni, Young Blonfani? No what table Yateno Ikalo Atenko Neko attach oh mami. Moko etinye wo moko na kege to bo banyon fon gbe ami gidigidi yen ma fe keje don po emunu wo ke no ahwe sideways okay no me fe ye akatwa na mama we ndo tete ngene ma go plantain ma hwe gali no yin ke ba no champagne jojo nyaba mo ami na wa wo ke kwa ya jaben. All right, me don't get a woman you condani nyege mi aye. O banana pepe. We should be ya do like no na ye len. Mi ya nyege sesegbe. Pe bono ko moto bonu loto mo prekese. Na ka me you am fi oda shen. Banga e boom Skanking Vibes see me say. O gloga mi nke ya faka mi kenten. Na mota wetin bense. Yo mo mu chono ko o ka bo di cycle. O kume na me wa pasenke.
You know, Skanking Vibes, as we are here, we go explore the talents wherever you are inside the world, every corner. The message will reach you. So let's go like this. I want you to introduce yourself to the people, your real name, where you were born, when you were raised, till now.
Wow, my name is Carl Bampado, aka Oko Lacey. Yeah, known as the high priest in Gamashin. I don't name myself, I don't put myself on Gamashin, I don't call myself the high priest, but they give it to me. They say I deserve it. So they call, the people say I deserve the high priest. They give it to me, I receive it nice. Because I saw them want. You see me, I say, while I was born in Amamungu, I didn't go, same time no I was called Wako, Gamashin.
Fire we are born from the scratch. But me no easy, me a bad from me born. Check out the kick where you hear from the sound. Funny boy, I see we and just get your front. Hey, man, better wanna me put weight on them shoulder. Big man.
I started this in 1992 with live bands. I've played with Otun 4 band. I've played with Vibration Kings. I've played with Nocheme band. I've played with Empire Reggae band. A lot of bands. And I released my first album on 1995, which can make hit because of our music industry. Yeah, because of Payola and promotion problems and stuff like that. So, but still we are on it. You see, that's what I said I would do. So I'm still on it. I choose to do the local dialect because sorry to say, I can't point my left finger to where my father comes from because I'm a Ghan. Secondly, I didn't come from Jamaica. I'm not a Jamaican. I'm a Ghanaian. So
You need to represent where you are coming from.
I have to do it in the local dialect so that the foreigners will ask that, what is he saying?
So you have to explain to the people what you are saying.
Exactly. So let's see for you. You see me and say,
That's a true identity. As I told you before, he's a veteran. Just look at the year he mentioned where he released his first album, Charlie. It be like some of you people say, you don't born yourself, you don't know. Serious. Talking about your father, were you born from a musical background? Is one of your parents, your mom or your dad, are they musicians?
It's exactly. I was born in music, but my father is a guitarist who played Ramblers band. He played Black Beast. He played Obajid, and a lot of bands. My mother is a dancer, ballet dancer. She's a dancer. So I don't know whether you know my brother Patty, the dancer. Yeah.
Patty, everybody knows Patty. Plenty is now in.
Yeah, it's in Germany. Patty is my blood brother. I am Oko. We have a Patty Tiger, and this is a Tago. That's the twins. So what Patty is doing, he took from my mother. She's a dancer. Yeah, my father is a guitarist. So I like it's in the blood. So what I'm doing it's just flowing naturally. Exactly.
Wow. As you can see, Okolizi is coming from a musical background. The mom is a dancer and his dad is a guitarist playing with the Ramblers band. I don't know if you do the Ramblers band. And talking of party those days, every advert from the Chinese advert and all that, Charlie, he's been dancing in the videos and all that, and everybody knows him, and this is his biological brother, Charlie. This is no joke, man. Charlie.
Right now, I'll tell you, by the grace of God, Patty is the one holding me now.
Patty, in terms of management and all that, he's the one
holding me now. I think the whole thing have to come to home. You see, the whole family thing, it must be family thing. So that is why he's holding me now. So I think with him, everything will be fine by the name of God. You see me and say, yeah, man.
Nice. Talking about the OLM, I see people wearing the OLM. Is that your movement? Is that your movement you're forming to come up big time?
Yeah, that's my logo. OLM means Okolesi music. You see, so whenever you meet that, you meet someone wearing OLM, yeah, it's part of the family. Yeah, it's a family thing. Yeah. You know, yeah. I think what I'm doing, the whole Gamashi is supporting because they know how I've been on the ground for a long. They know, yeah. So I think I'm also there for them. They know what I'm doing, so they also keep supporting me. God, they know how far I can take them to. You see me and say, yeah, man, bless.
Everybody watching this video right now, Charlie, we have to support. It shouldn't be only 2 people, 3 people out there. We need to come to the ghettos, find talent like this and promote them. This man has been singing for only God knows. He released his first album 1995. And if you listen to his songs, Charlie, you no go doubt me. But Charlie, let's take this short commercial break. When we come back, we'll continue with the interview.
This is X Doggy.
Yo, Ghana, this your boy Brainy Beats of High Good Family.
Yeah, man, my name no one unstoppable, baddest them ever seen. Style forever clean.
What are you watching? Skanking Vibes TV.
Skanking Vibes.
Skanking Vibes TV.
Representing Skanking Vibes.
Don't flick it.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
Big team.
Yeah, man.
All right, beautiful people, welcome back from that short commercial break. This is the Skanking Vibe Show, and we are live inside Ayata Corner, Accra, with the veteran himself, Okolizi, OLM. Charlie, you can't go wrong about this, man. You can't go wrong about this. Okolizi,
yes, boss.
Speaking about your first album, that one we know you released it and it didn't make any hits. Okay, now your brother is in. What are the plans and the projects now to push your music to the next level?
Oh, very well. The plans now is we are working with some band. He would like to invite me into Germany so that if God permits, I'll go and play some festival. So right now I'm raising with some band called the Omanye band. I'm raising with them. Yeah, I'll even go to rehearsal like 4 o'clock now once we are speaking. So we are working to take the thing that we are doing to the next level. The party is working out for me to feature some white lady in German there. We have a lot of things that we are coming to bring out now. There's so many things that we have to bring out now.
Well, that's good. I'm happy to hear that, so that the music, your career can move to the next level. People can see the hidden talent that you have. Yeah, that's fine. So this year, so far, have you released any music?
Oh, me, this year I've released like 11 tracks.
Wow.
Every year I release, if I want to release like more, not less than 9 to 8 in a year. Yeah, every year I release 10, 11 tracks in a year. I normally release 10 tracks, 11 in every year.
Wow. That's nice. And there's this one song I love from you, Yo Papa.
Yeah,
that one too, like that one too is one of my best songs when I'm listening to that song, Charlie. So I'd like you to do that freestyle too for the people to know that this is OLM.
Yeah, OLM stories goes like me tell Yo Papa ko ni masumole, Yo Papa ko ni makpele, Yo Papa ko di bagbo geminge non ko ni le non ni ye wo machungbe na no lege ba mi ngo. Kedi mi gashin be keke mi jonge song ayo no na ba shin ke fese bonon oh kaya oshi mi yeshon sumo ko kayo ko mlin kejula kon sumo mi le ke mama ni male ano kwale mi ta Yo Papa makpe Yo Papa ko ni ba fentri na ni nyele bo sa kon chom yo sumo gbe mi lo bi papa ni mu ma cho bon sumo gbe sanole anke mi no jibo ni ma tono no to fe mambo mi ta Yo Papa ko ni masumo le skanking vibes.
Yes, sir. Bad. Okay, this thing this question I want to ask you, like it's very personal though. It's very personal. It seems the people in the industry, like the big heads and all that, they forget about the talent we have in the ghettos, especially like you. They don't care. What do you think is the reason?
What you are saying is 100% correct. Ngamashi, it's not easy to get someone who will help you here. It's not easy. They don't help at all. But I know what God has given to me, so I can't throw it away. I know by all means my God will raise up his son one day. You see, but what you are saying is 100% correct. They don't care about any talented artist in Gamashi at all. But if you know you have God and what you believe in God, you still have to fight for it. Yes, sir.
And so far, we know about some of 1 or 2 artists that are popular that are coming from this place. You know them already. I don't have to mention their names. Yeah. Do they support the underground artists in one way or the other? Do they do that? Or when they blow, they forget?
Normally, they don't support at all. I'll say the truth. They don't. Sometimes, you see, they don't have to take that thing as challenge or something. No, it's not good. When you have a brother and neighbor in your community that also is a musician and he tries, you have to help him. You don't have to go to interview, and when they ask you about the artists in your community or in your area, you tell them, oh, you didn't try or not. No. You have to help him. Once you and God know that the person is a good artist, so you have to let someone help him than you brush him or hair up.
Kasantria fatare no for change me ya to kamale ito for fe flow akajale jomo kata osani abahamie kabimiele.
And when it comes to Homoho and all that, we come to shows at Bukum, Manchagbona and all that. Do they put you guys on?
Yeah, I'm very, very happy that you asked me this question. Every year, Nifani is the artist who man stage in Bukum, and Nifani, I have no problem with him. He's my junior brother. I love him so much. But Nifani haven't put me on his bill before.
Never.
And I know the reason. I don't know the reason why. I met him. He says, "Senior man." I say, "You calling me senior man? Why? What have I done to you? When you are multi platform, you don't call me. You don't put me in. You have nothing to tell me. He tell me he's sorry.
Every year, sorry.
Yeah, every year, sorry. Last year too, he mounted a platform with this guy. What is his name? Solash, yeah. At the Manchagbona Park. He didn't call me. I don't know what I've done to him. He's not my enemy. We are all one. We are all Ghanaians. We are all Ghans too. So I just don't understand. See what I'm saying?
Wow, interesting revelations, man. Interesting. How about Bukumba? They say support.
Oh, Bukumba support me a lot. Yeah, he likes me. He even likes my music a lot. He always motivates me when he meets me. He say, "Cool, I know bomb is God will do something for you." He support me in everything. So I think I like Bukumba. Yeah.
So how about the other big boxers? You know, we have some big boxers here.
And this guy too, Nisai. Yeah, Nisai. Yeah, Nisai. So he also keeps supporting me in everything.
From now to the end of the year, do you have any plans of releasing any new song, or you are okay with the ones that?
I even have 4 new tracks here, which still on the studio, which I haven't released.
You've not finished with it.
I've finished with it, but yeah, I haven't released it.
Okay. So when are you planning to?
Next month on the 15th. Okay. And also I have a nice tune which I bear them. No, that was Kankato.
I saw that video trending on Facebook.
That song was made out of gold. I say that because you have to listen to it.
Definitely.
You see the reason why I say it was made out of gold. You have to listen. When you listen to it, you see the reason why I said it was made out of gold. Because you know, Adam came in with Ewe. And I also continue with Gan. So you have to listen to that soon. Yeah.
We would have to listen to, and I promise you get it here first on Skanking Vibes TV. There's this young guy, reggae and dancehall artist. His name is Black Whaler. Yeah. Always when I meet him, he always been telling me you are his godfather. You've been supporting him. You advise him and all of that. Are you his mentor?
Black Whaler is like gold to me. That boy, you respect a lot. He's a guy who always feels for me. He always cry for me. He said, big man, you should have been in Europe by this time. Big man, you have to go like this. He's supporting me. So I've took him as my child, and I'm also training him. I'm telling you, watch out that guy. Watch out Black Whaler, because Black Whaler is a very, very talented guy, and soon come. The world will hear of him. I'm telling you.
Big up yourself, Black Whaler. Big up yourself. Okolizi. So I'll give you the chance to like say a special shout out to some people, the area, people who have been supporting you and all that. Anybody that you want to give shout out to. Okay. Yes.
Okay. First shout out goes on to Ayata Corner. Secondly to Niseng Senche. Third to Louis Wonder. 4 to Black Caesar. To the 6th one go to Ayata Corner himself. That's Benjamin. And also my lovely brother Patty. Yeah, I want him to know I always support him. I keep praying for him because I know one day God will do something for us. And also I give shout out to all Gamashi artists. And Louis Wonder, I have mentioned his name. And to all Ayata Corner boys, Jamestown, Bukum, Guardian, yeah man. Yo, pick up yourself, all Gamashi true. See me and say, Kolesi, representing right now. See me and say, Skanking Vibe.
Mambie chemi ya mekeke ginkwantele na mebato miye. Mange makwejo figat mi yoko shola la fantofi.
Black Whaler burning swanya. Okole ni music border. Someone too bad, then them boy they can wait. Another man gonna boo. They never bad like we. Some boy have to know. Respect how the fire we are born from the scratch. But me no easy, me a bad from me born. Check out the kick where you hear from the sound. Funny boy, I see we and just get your front. Hey, man, data wanna me put weight on them shoulder. Big man.
Yes, this is Skanking Vibes inside Ayata Corner, Accra. You see me? Charlie, we are about to wrap up, man. But you know, I need to let him announce his social media platform. Then I wrap up. Then we go.
Like we win up here, no mind. Anytime we set up the place on.
It's on all digital platforms. He says so when you go to all the digital platforms, you get all digital platforms. You see me, I say
Google, Okolesi, everything will just pop up.
All digital platform, You see what I mean? Yeah. Skanking Vibes, I say, I repeat. You see me, I say.
Big time, man. Charlie, too much energy, man. You know. Yeah.
Skanking Vibes we are talking about here. You know, Sagin P. A lot of stories. See me, I say. Skanking Vibes. You don't know. Yeah, my all music representing right now with Skanking Vibes. You see me, I say. Akembaye Shong. Moko le nona tereke banwana chiege akemba ye shong. Kegi nyumo ya fedro monika play yo miengwa ba yeku akem. Moko le nona tereke banwana chiege. Kegi nyumo ya fedro monika play yo miengwa ba yeku. Mboke bono noti no kolesi music bojo for ya bona efi no betlaku no for mochele ya kanti yeli no ni ya no sambo no wosusuka wanim e by shot makwa show ma ito komi nyonyo na sompio to ton ka foto mo tongo oi sangunye ba mi pono bolo no na ke ba ya pe ame no mi mo so dege jo ni mo cho na makwa ba yi lo kama o no je no cho do no ko e show mo no ano ya ko no no ma wele no bi no ni say boom Skanking Vibes is in yourself.
Rastafari, live it.
Yeah man.
This is X Doggy.
Yo, Ghana, this your boy Brainy Beats of High Good Family.
Yeah, man, my name no one unstoppable, baddest them ever seen. Style forever clean.
What are you watching? Skanking Vibes TV.
Skanking Vibes.
Skanking Vibes TV.
Representing Skanking Vibes.
Now flick it.
You see it? Yeah, man. Big team.
Yeah, man.